Life in Japan. ID photo booth. In Japan, a resume is always required when you're looking for a job. For the resume, you need a photo of yourself. Normally, a photo is taken at the studio or Photoshop, but since they have a business hours, it can be a problem when you need it right away. Photo booths are everywhere in Japan. They are open all year round. It is a vending machine where you can have your photo taken for your resume or passport anytime. The fee is 1,000 yen for the Skin Beauty Premium cost, which allows you to change the background, skin beauty effect, and skin brightness. The Skin Beauty Super cost, which allows you to change skin beauty effect and skin brightness, costs 900 yen, and the Skin Beauty Standard cost 800 yen. To use the machine, go inside, sit down on the chair, and then close the curtain. Follow the display in front of you and the voice guidance to decide the settings. First, choose your language from the 5 languages, and then select the type of photo you want. Next, insert the money, adjust the height of the chair, and position your face. Once the position of the face is decided, press the OK button, and a countdown will start, and the photo will be taken 3 times.
3、2、1。3、2、1。3、2、1。
The photo will be completed in about 3 minutes and will come out from the outside door. What do you think of Japan's convenience photo booth? Why don't you take a photo as a souvenir when you come to Japan?